Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix the Proton Authenticator code not showing? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons that your problem is going to occur. So if your Proton Authenticator code isn't showing, first check that your device's time is synchronized correctly with the network, as time drift is a common cause of failure. If that doesn't work, then try syncing your keychain or reinstalling the application. For Apple devices, you may need to toggle iCloud passwords and keychains off and on. So, while on Linux, you may need to run the app with a specific command to disable GPU acceleration. Let me just go ahead and show it to you how you can do it on your device. Simply head into your settings and then search for date and time. And once you've searched for that, simply go ahead and put it to set automatically. And now once you've done that, simply head into your Proton Authenticator, head into your settings, and then turn off the backup to iCloud and turn it on. And that is about it. Make sure to try uninstalling and installing the app as well, and then it will go ahead and work. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.